Casting to Chromecast from your Android device, you are in the right place. Here is how to fix it quickly and easily. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Now let's get started on how to fix the issue when you cannot mirror Android to Chromecast. Method 1. Check the internet connection. You should ensure your Chromecast and your Android smartphone are connected to the same internet and the connection is stable. You can check the status of the internet connection from Chromecast settings. For that, from the home screen, navigate to Settings or select the gear icon. Then select All Settings. Go to the Network and Internet section. Check if the Wi-Fi toggle is turned on and the device is connected to a stable network. You can change the network service and check if that works. You can also contact your service provider if necessary. You can restart both the devices and the router or modem. Then reconnect to the same internet connection and check. Method 2. Check that the smartphone and Chromecast have the same time settings. To ensure your Chromecast have the same time settings, navigate to Chromecast settings. Select All Settings, then select System. Then select Date and Time. Here you can select Automatic Date and Time and select Use Network Provided Time. You can set the time zone. Now, if you want to set the time manually, turn off the Automatic Date and Time setting. Then set the correct time and date. Make sure to set the same time, date and region on your smartphone. By ensuring both devices are set to the same time zone, you should avoid any synchronization issues. Method 3. Check for device compatibility. Make sure your smartphone is compatible with your Chromecast model. You can check the Google support website or here to know if your Android device is compatible. Method 4. Check the HDMI connection. The next thing you should check is the HDMI connection. Sometimes, due to a faulty HDMI connection, you can have issues while casting on Chromecast. To maintain a stable and clear connection on your Chromecast, check the HDMI and USB connections. A loose connection can often cause issues. Inspect the cables for any visible damage like fraying, kinks, or bends. If you find any, it's best to replace them with a new one. Method 5. Clear cached data. Next, you can clear cache from your Chromecast device and then try to cast. Sometimes the accumulated data gets corrupted and creates issues like this. Here is how to clear cached data on Chromecast. Open Chromecast settings, select All Settings, go to System. Within the System menu, choose Storage, choose Internal Shared Storage. Select Apps and choose to view all apps. Choose one app from the list. Select Clear Cache or choose Clear Data option if Clear Cache is grayed out. Select OK to confirm your selection. Repeat these steps for each app you want to clear cached data for. You can also clear the app cache on your smartphone device, specifically the app you are trying to stream on your Chromecast device. To do so, press and hold the app on your phone and select App Info or the eye icon. Then select Storage and Clear Data or Clear Cache. The options may vary depending upon your system. Method 6. Reset your Chromecast. The next thing you can do is reset the Chromecast. For that, make sure your Chromecast is plugged into a power source. Find the small reset button on the Chromecast device. Press and hold the button. The white light on the device will start blinking. Keep holding the button. The light will turn amber and start blinking. Continue holding the button. Once the light turns white, release the button. The device will now perform a factory reset. This process may take about 1 minute. Be patient. After the reset is complete, your Chromecast will be ready to set up as a new device, or you can sell it if you no longer need it. And that's it. Those are the methods to fix Chromecast casting issues from your Android device. If this solved your problem, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Got a different streaming issue or a question? Drop it in the comments. We are here to help. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next one.